Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking on this video to watch. Hope you lot are doing well and is doing great and okay guys, so this is a hair review, of course. You know, you can tell by the way I've set up and I'm just, you know, I've actually done a review about them before and their hair company is called Onemorehair. I'm going to put the name right here. I've done a review about their hair, but that hair was deep waves. But now I'm reviewing this one, which is body wave. Yeah, when I done the first review, it was the deep waves and I absolutely loved it. Of course, if I like something, we need to do another one. Hence why I'm here, trying to review this one. So guys, this hair is from Onemorehair, and as you can see, it's nice, very curly, and this is like my normal, this is like the normal style I'd go for. And this is the body wave sent to me by Onemorehair. It's in, I believe, 20 inch. The frontal was 20 inch. And then they sent me 4 bonds. So this company sent me a frontal, as you can see. Very nice, you know, very natural. It looks like it's coming out from my scalp. Like, that's how realistic this frontal looks. But yeah, they sent me a frontal and 4 bundles. The frontal was 20 inch. The other 4 bundles was 22, 24, 26 and 26. So I've got 2 26s. If I've made any mistakes, I'm just going to correct myself and put it there. But from what I believe, the frontal was 20 inch. The 4 other bundles, 24, 26, 24, 24. Guys, listen. This hair, this is the most beautiful hair I've ever worn. Like, I'm not even exaggerating, guys. Just look at this hair. Like, I was expecting this because the first hair, the deep waves, the one I got before, was so nice. So this one, I wasn't expecting anything different. I was just expecting it to be nice. And as you can see, oh my god, guys, this hair is absolutely beautiful. If I come close, I could just show you guys. Like, this hair is beautiful. This hair does not shed. Yeah, guys, this hair does not shed. Like, when I tell you, this hair is the best. Oh, it's lifted a bit. Oh, sorry. But, yeah, guys, just look at the frontal. I just want to show you guys the frontal so you can actually see how it is. So, to install this hair, I used the got to be glue spray. I prefer that more than the glue liquid one, because the liquid one, it comes off really easily, whereas the spray, it just really holds the frontal onto your forehead. So it's just really, it's just perfect. Like, it just sticks on beautifully. So yeah, guys, that is the hair, guys. This hair is easy to install. You can either get your hairdresser or go to a salon so they can install it for you, because it did come as a bundle. It did not come as a wig. I got my hairdresser to make my wig for me. Thank you to her. I'm going to put her Instagram name here. But yeah, guys, that's her. She does all my wigs, and I'm so appreciative of her, because guys, she actually slay my wigs. This is why my hair is always looking nice, because all of you always ask me, Altou, who does your hair? Do you do it yourself? No, darling, she makes all my wigs. Yeah, the lace bar. So yeah, but yeah, today, because I had to remove it off last night, so yeah, I just took it off. But today, this morning, I installed it myself. I just used got to be glue spray to install the hair. So yeah, guys, this is the hair. The quality of the hair is beautiful, very beautiful. As you can see, it's soft, it runs smooth nicely. Again, no shedding. Very nice, very good, very luxurious, guys. This is the hair. And I've curled this hair a couple of times. I've curled it like 3 times. I've curled it 3 times because I've had it for a week now. The hair came like a week ago, but I wanted to make sure the hair was very good quality for me to do the video. Now that I have worn the hair for about a week now, I now know that the hair is really nice. So I just wanted to make sure that it was nice. But yeah, guys, I've worn this hair for, it's been about a week that I've worn this hair, and I curled it 3 times. And when I tell you guys, the curls does not loosen up quickly yet. It doesn't. Out of 7 days I've out of 7 days wearing it, I've only curled it 3 times. Like, just little touch-ups. But yeah, guys, so nice. You can tell that the curls is just nice and bouncy, and this hair is easy to maintain. It's not hard. Like, I know some other hairs, like you would put it and then it's just bare hard, bare shedding, and you always have to like curl it, you always have to straighten it, you always have to wash it. But this hair is the complete opposite. Like, this hair is absolutely nice, easy to maintain, easy to wear, very nice to curl, good quality, nice and long, nice and bouncy, great. Beautiful, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. And when I do hair reviews, I like to give my very honest opinion. Just because this video is sponsored don't mean I'm gonna make lies about it. No, guys, I'm very honest. And this hair, popping, girl. You guys will already know, because my Instagram is full of this hair. Like, it's full of just the body wave, if you know what I mean. But again, this hair is a Brazilian body wave, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna correct myself. But yeah, guys, 24, 26, 26, and yeah, man, this is the hair. Absolutely beautiful. Just to show you more about the hair, I'm gonna show you guys how I would style my hair. So guys, I'm gonna do one hairstyle so you guys can do, if you do buy the hair. I'm gonna do the half up, half down. I've done this in my other video as well, but I just want to show you the half up, half down hairstyle with this hair. Hope you guys can see. I'm quite tall, so I would have to like bend down a bit, but I'm gonna do the half up, half down, but instead of leaving it, I'm gonna tie it into a bun. So I'm gonna grab a piece. So guys, I'm just gonna come here so you guys can see. So this is one example you can do. I'm just gonna do a quick bun. I'm gonna leave it out as well. I'm just showing them this. So guys, the bun is not looking the best, but this is one hairstyle you can do. As you can see, it was very easy to do. It wasn't that hard. All you have to do is take half of your hair up, twist it, and boom, that's your hairstyle. Let me just sit down so you guys can see. So this is hairstyle number 1. Very nice, easy to do, very nice to maintain. That's one hairstyle. If you guys want me to do another video of me actually installing the hair, let me know, because I'm gonna do another video to update you guys about the hair. So I'm gonna do another video updating you guys about this hair. So if you want me to do in the other video installing my wig, do let me know so I'm aware of what to do next. So yeah, guys, very nice, very cute. So now instead of tying it into a bun, I'm gonna leave it out. So I'm gonna grab this bit of the hair, hold it up. I don't have a hairband, guys, so I use this instead. I cut the tights. Guys, so this is the second hairstyle you can do. So guys, I'm gonna do you another hairstyle. Instead of tying it up into a bun, I'm just gonna leave it out. But this time we're gonna do it one side. Sorry guys, I don't have a hairband, so I'm just using like the tights are cut off to use it as a hairband instead. So bear with me, guys, sorry about that. So this is the second hairstyle you can do. Sorry guys. Again, looks really nice. This is a cute hairstyle if you want to go out with your friends, go to dinner, look a bit cute, then this is definitely one hairstyle you can do. And I'll definitely be styling my hair more, because usually I just wear my hair down, but I'll definitely do more with this hair. So this is one hairstyle you can do. So yeah guys, another hairstyle you can do, instead of putting it to one side, you just put it in both sides so it looks cute. Guys, oh my god, this hair is literally so cute. If you got shorter bundles, it would blend in more. Because my hair is literally so long, it's not like, but it still looks cute, right? Doesn't look that bad, but yeah, this is another hairstyle you can do. So yeah guys, oh my god. So yeah, that's one hairstyle, another hairstyle. So yeah, that's the other hairstyle you can do with the hair. Or you can just do it, like put it to the side, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that in the other video so you guys see. So yeah guys, that was me styling the hair. So yeah guys, this hair again, I really love it. As you saw in the demonstrations when I was doing the style, it's very quick, not hard. It was just nice, easy and quick. This hair is very nice. If you want money off when purchasing the hair, I'll put the code right here. This will give you money off when purchasing the hair. If you want more info about the hair and you want to buy the hair directly, I'm going to put all the details below and a link to buy it straight away. So yeah guys, thank you so much. You can find them on Instagram or you can find them on AliExpress, I believe. If I'm wrong again, I'm going to correct myself. But yeah guys, they do have their own website. So yeah guys, that's one advantage of the company. They have their own website, they have their Instagram, and I believe they're on AliExpress as well. So yeah guys, and I know you guys would want to find out more about the shipping. Shipping did not take long at all. It came within like 3 to 4 days. I thought it was gonna take long because obviously they're not based in the UK, so obviously I thought it was gonna take a bit longer, but no guys, it was really quick. As soon as it came, I got my hairdresser to just make the wig for me, and as you can see, I'm here now reviewing it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I hope you like this review, and I hope you do like the hair. All the information will be down below. If you guys want to purchase the hair straight away, it will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you can like and subscribe and comment that below, that would help me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.